So it's kind of automatically, you can just start typing the address, and it's going to pull information from Google. But the idea here is that this is also customizable. We're going to talk about that. But on the left part, you're going to have the information from the client itself. And on the right part, you have two sections. You could have more, you could have less. Those are just ideas. But on the right part, you have meetings. So meetings that you've had with that client. So you can see here that with Brenda, I have the quarterly presentation that was on the 18th. And I could have notes here. So you could have like this expandable page, so you can add notes. You have actionable items, so I can add stuff that I have to do after this meeting with the client. Maybe they complain about something, so I have to, I don't know, check invoices, and I can add this as an actionable for that meeting. And I can see here that this is pending now. I have 0% done. I could click on the to do, and this would complete the actionable items for that meeting. And I could also select this meeting or the request as favorite, and this is going to do two things. It's going to highlight the meeting, so you can see that as soon as I clicked on the favorite icon, it highlighted as yellow. And also, if I click here on this button, favorite as a filter, it's going to filter for just the things that I have as a favorite. I'm going to talk a little bit more about structure later on as we're building this stuff.